This video shows the installation of a new roll of filter tape in the ethylometer AE36 or AE36s. You will need a new roll of filter tape and some adhesive tape for this procedure. Make sure you are using the original aerosol McGee scientific filter tape. Using other filter tape may damage the instrument, void the warranty, or lead to incorrect data. There are two ways to replace the tape: the software-guided tape change procedure or the manual method. We highly recommend using the software-guided tape change procedure, which will be demonstrated in this video. First, stop the measurements and in the quality assurance, quality control menu, press the tape change button and follow the step-by-step procedure. Loosen the thumb screws and remove the transparent plastic covers from both the left hand and the right hand side spool. Remove the used tape from both spools. Place the new filter tape on the supply spool. Make sure the roll is correctly oriented, so the tape must unroll from the left hand side. The backing of the filter tape must be oriented downwards. Attach the end of the filter to it using adhesive tape. Place the empty center on the collection spool axis. Ensure the tape is fed beneath the left and the right guideposts and passes under the optical chamber. Reinstall both transparent plastic covers. Tighten the thumb screws by hand only. Make sure the right hand collection spool is firmly clamped to its axis. Test by gently pulling the tape, and make sure the spool center does not move. When done, press OK on the screen. The optical chamber will return to its home position.